probably go.
Cool.
I'll probably go.
I'm claiming all these rewards that I got from having the pass, right?
Mm-hmm. Wait, you actually bought the pass?
I almost always do, Shane.
Dude, what
As
the
of
fuck?
hey.
No. I despise these linear paths, Matt. These linear paths lead to more linear paths that lead to more linear paths, Matt. That's all they are, Matt. It's just a linear fucking path that gives you jack shit. Yes, it gives you the free shit. You pay and you do stuff. You know, back in my day, Matt, when you bought something, you got it immediately. You didn't have to. Shut the fuck up.
Fire ult.
You immediately
Fire
die
ult does that.
You
it's so easy.
Immediately. You still die immediately. Like, you just get stunned and keep getting stunned.
Oh, with the team that we're going up against, I think that's going to be a case of
yeah, I know.
That's what happened.
That's why I said it.
We do have a big hot Morty.
Fuck you. Shut the fuck up.
Sorry, look.
I'm gonna... What?
Da.
And this is why
she is such a champion.
This is why I hate furries. God damn it. Hello, Morgana. How are you?
You too.
I hope you're good. Smack. What's it? Oh no, not the damage. What shall I ever do? She got scared and ran away. She's running away. Morgana's getting beat already. It hasn't even been a minute. Ah. Who's their jungle?
Who's their jungle? Their jungle is Nidalee.
Nidalee, okay. She can go invisible, right?
No.
Oh.
She can turn into a Cheeto.
A Cheeto?
No.
She could turn into a Cheeto.
Yes, a Cheeto.
Yeah, a Cheeto. Aww.
Cheeto.
Cheeto. Shut the fuck up.
So can this...
I'm gonna check the Cheetos.
How am I jump over walls? Yes, it can. Whee!
Okay, there you go.
That's right.
She went around the world.
Oh wait, never mind. I lied. I'm such a liar right now.
You're always a liar.
That's not always true.
Hey, Matt. Fucking Matt.
No.
You going to jungle creatures? No, Morgana's back. Probably bot shit.
I stole both of them. Wait, where's the brrr? I don't know the Morgana. I am the brrr. I forgot about that part.
Uh-oh. I might die. No, don't die. No, don't die. Ah. Well, Matt.
Did you die? Aw.
Sadly. He ignited me, or something.
Oh. Damn. I don't know if I can take it by myself yet.
What, Dragon?
I'm not gonna limit test brrr
yet. No,
yet.
you can't. At least I don't think.
I know I could take it as Viego.
You want my help?
But that's because I know Viego. Wait a minute. Is brrr one of these champions?
Yes.
Shane? I'm so happy about this fact right now.
Yes, brrr is a champion.
Brrr does not have mana.
Manner. She doesn't have manners. You're right, she's a furry. She never had manners to begin with.
She's not a furry.
Yes, she is.
At least I don't think so.
She is.
She's a vampire.
Yeah, that's a furry.
Really?
Yes, vampires are furries, man. You're literally saying that you're a bat.
No.
Yes? Fuck. I don't have mana. Just so you know. Oh wait, I have mana now.
You do have mana.
I'll save it for like a rainy day. Hold on, let me ward back.
God, she clears so suckily.
What the fuck did you just say?
She clears so
Smite,
suckily.
Smite.
Alright, I'm gonna run about.
Alright, I'll channel. You're gonna die. Uh-oh, the Jin's gonna kill our fucking... Yeah. Oh, by the way, our Mordekaiser died as well. But we got
Did he?
back. Yeah. Mordekaiser's gonna be better now that we have,
1, 2, step up.
Oh, dude. Harold.
Harold?
Yeah.
That, I'm going. Harold? Going.
Okay.
I want my R. I want to become a missile.
I know, it's so good.
I want to go from one side of the map to the other in a matter of seconds. Because it's bullshit.
Oh, yes, it is.
Nuke Friar. You. Thank you. This is mine now. This is mine.
You kill in the jungle? Watch out, Matt, watch out.
Bye bye.
Oh, she was immune. Fuck. That was stunned her.
The jungle is way too low to do anything right now.
So you may as well take. The Morgana might trans. Never mind,
Yep.
she's here.
Whee!
She sees that I have no mana, so she knows that I'm less of a threat. Like, what was that?
What's up?
I just got randomly damaged. I'm helping. All me. All me, Matt. All me.
Oh, hell yeah. Shane, it's time. I have a nuke. Oh, I'll save it for a rainy day.
Or you could choose it.
Maybe that Tom Kench needs it.
Yeah,
Oh,
I think he...
The Tom Kench
yeah,
is looking quite succulent right now.
Yeah.
Who does bot need help?
Oh, watch out, Morgana might be coming up. No, she's here.
I want it.
Get it. Oh no, you're gonna die, Matt. You're just dead. You're gonna die, Matt.
Oh. Well, I have to hope that the Mordekaiser kills. Come on, Mord.
I hate my
Come on,
life.
Mord.
I hate my life.
Fuck, that's such a long... Actually, no, it's like Rakan.
I fat fingered my D
With
key.
to respawn. What did you say?
I fat fingered my D key.
Oh, no, Mord.
Yeah, she's channeling. So, do you want me to come up or not?
Go bot if you can, because I'm
I'm
gonna
not going to.
go
I'm
here.
gonna take my tower then.
Sad, Shane.
I'm warding dragon. They took bug. Oh, jungle's here. Jungle's here. Oh no! No! Please! Oh fuck!
Your magic wand.
Matt, why did you do that? I was baiting. You just ran in like a dumbass. Fucking Matt. Matt, you're just running away from me now. I'm gonna fucking rage.
Sorry, the kills.
Please help me. I'm gonna revive, but please.
I'm coming.
Thank you.
The girl is going.
Now you're gonna get killed by the Morgana. Watch. You're just standing. You're just standing there, Matt.
Okay, asshole.
Revive.
You mean recall?
Yes. That's what I meant to say.
Oh fuck. Oh, Shane.
Matt, are you gonna die to the fucking jungle again?
No. I have Herald and I haven't used it yet.
For fuck's sake, just use it mid. How much time do you?
There
Why
you
did
have
you
it.
use that?
There you go, bye-bye.
Why'd you flash? Man, you call me a shit jungle.
Shane, this is the first time I've played this champ. Alright,
That's fair. That's fair, Matt. That is.
I'm
fair.
learning.
No, that's actually legitimately fair. But at the same time,
Sorry, I'm very curious on how brrr nukes everyone.
also thank you for the turret. I got none of the money though from it because I wasn't close enough. Sad face.
Who needs help? I twas mid. That's my. I don't know. I twas mid though.
Oh, we destroyed bot. Nice. No, Morgana, please go away.
Shane, if you bait her enough, I will nuke mid.
Okay, that's fine. I'm baiting. I'll purposely like bait for her stun, but you'd have to come in clutch. Like immediate. You're down bot. What's the range on that thing?
I can hit 2 river.
Damn.
I'll tell you the range.
baiting,
The range, I have it till here.
I'm baiting. I baited.
Go. Uh-oh. Yes?
I
No?
baited. Now she's
Nope.
gone.
Uh-oh.
Now she's gone. Okay, well, I'm out.
Does he?
Yes.
He does, and I've been trying to help him, but he doesn't do enough damage against the Tom.
What?
What? Top does not do enough damage towards the Tom Kench.
Alright.
It's sad.
I'm helping top.
Yeah, go help top because
Actually, Herald. They're probably going for Herald.
yeah.
Yeah.
I'm visiting mid for a second though.
Yeah. Help out the mid. Yeah, no. Just no, Matt. Matt, just no.
Get me out of here.
Oh, they're here. It's only this bitch. Fuck you.
The Mordecai's
You
will
gotta
let him
help me.
cook.
You gotta help me. You gotta help me. Please. Matt, how'd you die?
How I die? The Morgana stunned me, and I was stunned for 3 minutes.
Matt, you wonder why you have bad games.
Well, excuse me, I haven't been playing jungle. Not much to. I've been going everywhere else.
Matt, you've been playing jungle for the past 3 months. You constantly say that. If you ward, I'll come in with you. If you ward, I'll come in with you. If you ward...
I warded.
I'm here. Now don't go in first. I'm going in first. I stunned.
Oh, he ate me? This is Vor? This is literally Vor.
You're gonna die, aren't you? No, we're gonna kill this bitch. I'm killing this bitch. At least we... Fucking bastard.
He doesn't.
Please. Whoever the fuck. Fucking Christ, I have rebirth at the very least.
I was gonna be very surprised if he killed all of us.
Oh, that's a jungle. Yeah, nice. If you just wait. For me to... Nice.
We take Groot.
No, we don't.
I do now.
Yeah, you can. We're taking it.
I do. Wait, what if I just do this? Oh, you dodged me, you motherfucker.
Alright, we're killing this Tom Catch.
Uh-oh.
And the Tom Catch is there. At least you ran away.
At least I did.
Is he
We'll go back.
Is he taking?
He's going to take it.
Yeah, he's gonna take. Yeah, I'm stopping that. Yeah, get the fuck. No, fuck off. Fuck off. That's ours. I'm gonna die again.
I stopped him. Successfully stopped him.
I stunned. Oh, the assist. The assist, man.
Oh. It just kept me going, Shane. It just kept going.
Kill that bastard. This vein is like killing everyone. They're like, GG, well played. Did they already surrender?
Yep.